All right, guys, so we're going to talk about how to use Canva to build AI images for your short story project. So if you go down, if you access Canva through your Clever, first of all, and then when you get to Canva, it should have some kind of landing page that looks a little bit like this. Somewhere on this toolbar is this Canva AI tool. So I want you to click on Canva AI. What you're going to do is you're going to tell Canva to build images that match the short story that you've created. So if your character's name is Josh and Josh is skiing on a mountain with his buddies Andrew and Julian, and they're skiing down the mountain really fast and somebody crashes, you would give it details to help you build images that would go along with that story. Okay, so I'm going to give you some language to help you prompt Canva to build images that you want. So I was thinking about the story A Sound of Thunder, and so I said I would like a series of images that include a dinosaur and a time machine with a hunter. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to say submit. And then it's going to generate down here, and it might take it a second, so you have to be careful with it, give it time. But it's going to generate a series of images. And then what I can do is decide. So I told it I wanted a series, but I didn't tell it how many. So I might have to refine and say, now I want a series of 3 images. So I can look at these and see what it came up with. And then I did something similar a little bit ago, and I got a series of images that look like this. These are interesting. So I'm going to click on them. And what I can do, you'll see, let's say I really like this image with the dinosaur and this image, but I want like more of the time machine. So what it'll do is it'll take the images it generated for me and it will refine those and continue to refine them until you get images that you really like. So see how it took this image here that it already had and it replaced the kind of buff dude hunter guy with more of the time machine. Also, it changed my character and it made her female. So it's interesting that it did that as well. So you can continue to play with these images until you get something that you like, okay? Then what you can do is up here with the 3 dots, you can copy the image and you can put it into your file. You can move the image and save it on your Canva. You can also open these images in Editor. And when you do that, you can do all kinds of things to change the filters, change the fonts, change all kinds of information, okay? If you guys have questions about this, please ask in class, but hopefully this will help you as you're working on this with your short story project.